the composition of functions involves having two or more functions in succession. So what does that mean? Does anyone know? In succession, what does that word mean? So one after the other, okay? Sounding good? One of the places that this topic occurs that you don't even know is in a store, okay? So this assignment is all about coupons and discounts, okay? When you go to a store and your mom, your dad, whoever buys things for you, whoever, brings you to the store, has a 25% off your total purchase or off one item. That's very common. But sometimes if it's like your birthday, you get like $5 off. I know with DSW, on your birthday, they give you $5 off and a coupon, okay? So the object of what we're doing today, the topic of what we're doing, is trying to figure out if we should apply a coupon first and then a discount, or a discount and then a coupon. See what I'm saying? So if I have a $5 coupon and 25% off coupon, if I have a $5 discount and a $25% coupon, the object is trying to find out which one I should use first. That's going to save me the most money. Okay? I want to save money. I'm a college student. I'm a teacher that doesn't get paid, the most money. I got to save money when I can. Just as when you guys grow up and you go to college or whatever you may do in your future, you want to save money. Okay? This is important. This is a real life example. When everyone's like, why does I need this in my life? When am I ever going to use this in my life? Boom. Okay? So, the scenario. What happened here? I don't know why there's lines. Okay, scenario. In the mail, you see a $5 off coupon for a pair of jeans. Before you know the cost of your jeans, we can create functions for this discount. Okay? So, let the cost of jeans be represented by a variable x. So, if you have a pencil, highlighter, or whatever you may have, I want you to highlight that the cost of the jeans is represented by the variable x. We good over there? Yeah. Okay. So we're doing this, so you can just kind of tag along. Do you have a pencil? Yeah. Okay. So we're just on number 1. Okay. So just repeating that, I want you to highlight the cost of the jeans will be represented by a variable x. Okay. If you are putting your head down, guys, come on, back there, because you're not going to have any idea what to do on the back. All right, so I am writing a function. So what should my function start with? What does every function start with? What x? F of x, okay? So everybody, start off like this. Okay, so our function needs to represent the cost of my jeans with a $5 coupon. So what did I say was going to represent the cost of my jeans? X. So X. Then what's my second term going to look like? Because I have $5 off. Minus 5. Good. So that's my first function. Okay? Now, the second part says, now when you arrive at the store, you find that all jeans are off 25% off. I feel like Hollister or someone always does that. You know what I mean? Like American Eagle. There's always like 25% off your $400 jeans. Okay? So now we're going to represent the cost of the jeans after a 25% discount. Okay. Yes?
That's the answer.
Yep, so the answer for number 1 is f of x equals x minus 5. Okay? Okay, so now we're writing a function that's representing the cost of the jeans after a discount. So, how do I start a function? Good, g of x. This function and this function need to be different. Okay? So if I put f of x at 2, that would not make sense. So, I'm going to start it off with g of x. I also want to highlight 25% discount. So if you highlight, underline, whatever you want to do. Okay? Now, I need to find the cost of my jeans after the discount. So what needs to go first? X, right? The cost of my jeans need to go first. Okay? Now, does anyone know how to find a discount off of a price? This may be a little, you guys may not know this. Good. Huh? You could, but there's an easier way. Does anyone know how to find it? Sorry? To where?
No.
Good. So if I had 25, what is it now?
0.
Okay, you could say that. So minus 0.25. But I'm missing something there. Nope, because we made it into a decimal. So my percent's not there anymore. When you take a discount off of something, what is that something? I'm taking a discount off my jeans. So what needs to go here? Huh? The price of the jeans. But what's the cost of my jeans being represented by? Good. So there has to be an X following that. Okay, so now I'm going to explain this. This is saying that we have a new function. So my X right here, this X, is saying that's the cost of my jeans, the initial cost. That's always got to be there. Whenever you take any money off, any percent off, the initial cost always has to be there. Okay? Then I'm subtracting because I'm getting money off. You always, whenever you do a percent, you have to multiply it to the actual price. Because that's going to tell you how much of the percent you're getting off. If I just put 0.25 here, this would say I'm getting 25 cents off. That's not really a good deal. I'd rather keep my 25 cents. Okay? Do we all understand that part? We all understand that we have to multiply by the actual price of the jeans. Okay. Now, we are writing now, which we already wrote, okay? Writing a function that represents the cost of the jeans when the 25% discount is applied first. Highlight that. That's super important. So which function am I going to write down first? When I want my 25% discount applied first. So is my G going to go first or is my F going to go first? G. Good. Does everyone see why it's G? When we look here, the function with a 25% discount, okay? So first thing I want you to write down is that same thing. G of X equals X minus 0.25X. Okay, then, this is important, different color highlighter, then the $5 coupon is applied. So you're getting both off. Okay? So, what do you guys think I need to do first? Okay, but we already found, first thing you need to do when you do this is find the price with the discount off. That's what this is. We are finding the price with the discount. Okay? So then, we need to plug something in here. Yeah. So now it's going to be, why do I keep doing that? F of X. Nope, I lied. My bad. G of X minus 0.25X. Nope, I lied again. I'm looking at the wrong thing. Sorry, guys. Minus 5. So F of X now equals G of X minus 5. Do we see this? Because we're going to get an answer here. Then our answer is going to be plugged in here. This will be our new price. Okay? So when we solve this, on the back page is when you're going to solve it. You're going to put a number in. You're going to get an amount here. Okay? You're then going to take this amount that you find and plug it here and then just subtract 5. Because you're getting $5 off. Okay? Now, 4 is just backwards. It's the opposite way. So, same thing. I'm going to take my highlighter. The $5 coupon is applied first. Somebody besides Martin and somebody besides Nairi, please tell me which function I'm writing first. Huh? F of x, good. Did it again. Can you guys see that? That's okay. So now what's my g of x then going to look like? Okay, but I'm going to have to plug f of x into somewhere. So where am I going to plug it? Okay. So this one is saying, the first thing I'm doing is I'm getting a price, and I'm taking $5 off of it. Okay? I'm going to get an answer for this, a dollar amount. That dollar amount is then going to be plugged in here, and again in here. Okay? Sound good? We okay? Okay, so the back page you're doing on your own. You're going to need these equations. Very important. So the back page is you using the same equations, the last two, but you're plugging in a number. So you're going to plug in the number for x. Okay? I will come around when you're done to check. If you need any help, you could raise your hand. Okay? Guys online, you can go ahead and do those back three. If you have any questions, just shout out. I'm going to walk around, okay?